How do we know we are children of God if we don't try to understand God? Bringing faith, religion, and spirituality into the hearts and minds of the Francis Lieberman students is the focus of our community. We create opportunities for students to understand the true love God has bestowed upon us by sending His Son, Jesus Christ, to suffer and die for our salvation. We offer 4 years of religious instruction, delivered by extremely well-qualified and energetic professionals who strive at building lessons that are engaging and relevant to the young minds of tomorrow.
The Health and Physical Education program at Francis Lieberman promotes students to be active and develop an understanding of the importance of overall wellness and lifelong physical activity. In our double gym and fully equipped weight room, positive health behaviors and outcomes are promoted. Our program helps students commit to a lifelong physical and spiritual wellness program. A number of athletic programs are offered at Francis Lieberman, including basketball, volleyball, flag football, cross country, softball, ultimate frisbee, track and field, soccer, swimming, badminton, table tennis, and many more. Bonjour tout le monde! On offre le français cadre de 9e année jusqu'au 12e année. On a carnaval qui est plein d'activités. On visite la belle France pendant la semaine de mars. Venez et profitez ici à Francis Lieberman. At Francis Lieberman, business, accounting, and marketing courses are taught with a hands-on and practical approach. Our teaching of business fundamentals is based on an application to real-world problems. You will be able to use this knowledge with financial literacy in mind. We strive to help our students to not only learn about all different aspects of business, but also to become an intelligent investor with astute decision-making. In the Canadian and World Studies Department, students can immerse themselves in the areas of study, including geography, history, civics, law, social justice, social science, and family studies courses. Our courses offer excellent enrichment opportunities, from geocaching to exploring historical artifacts, visiting the Superior Courthouse, to even interactive food lab courses. Students that take 4 elective courses in our department are eligible to receive a Certificate of Achievement in Social Studies and Critical Thinking Skills at graduation. We look forward to welcoming you to Francis Lieberman next year. Many of us remember how a book or a story or a poem changed how we saw the world. Here, your child will be fostered to not only read many new texts to expand their understanding of the human condition, but also be nurtured in how to express their own personal thoughts, sharing their views to enlighten and maybe also inspire others. Effective communication is a vital academic skill that your child will develop in grade 9 and onwards as they prepare to expand and enrich themselves here at Francis Lieberman next year. We hope to welcome you.
Hello, welcome to Francis Lieberman Chapel. My name is Father Obinna. I teach religion. I'm also a chaplain.
Hello, my name is Miss Kenny. I am also a chaplain, and I'm also the student success teacher here at Francis Lieberman.
Okay, listen to this. If you are looking for a school that is also a home, come to Lieberman. At Lieberman, we study, we play, and we pray.
We look forward to getting to know all of you. We have lots of different Catholic leadership activities for you guys to get involved in. We have Young Spiritans Club, Student Council, the Eco Club, Culture, Faith, and Life Club, so lots of different opportunities, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.
So come on, let's have fun together. Let's rock and roll. God bless you all. See you soon.
At Francis Lieberman Catholic High School, the math department offers a challenging experience of the highest quality math contests and AP calculus included. We recognize the central importance of mathematics in everyday life, and this will prepare you for the demands you will face as Canadians and as members of the global community. In addition, the mathematics program encourages you to develop a lifelong love for the art of discovery.
Each student who has an IEP or is identified as an exceptional student will be assigned a monitoring teacher. They are responsible for writing or updating your child's IEP, presenting your child at an IPRC if applicable, along with monitoring their academic progress throughout the school year. Skills for school success like organization, note-taking, reading from a textbook, listening skills, literacy, and numeracy are taught to the students in the Learning Strategies or GLE course, and those skills are then applied using the content from the core subject areas.
The Science Department at Francis Lieberman is committed to providing students the opportunity to pursue excellence in science using the process of scientific inquiry to learn fundamental concepts. We are devoted to the notion that science has a practical application and must be understood in a larger cultural context. We strive to provide our students with a deep understanding of the world and universe around us, and stress the importance of critical thinking and logical reasoning. Students use various methods of investigation, such as observation, comparison, experimentation, and mathematical manipulation of data. Our music program ranks among the top music programs in Scarborough. It includes both a concert and a stage band and performances throughout the year.
Technological design provides students with opportunities to apply a design process to meet a variety of technological challenges. Students will research projects, create designs, build models or prototypes, and assess products or processes using appropriate tools, techniques, and strategies. Student projects may include designs for homes, vehicles, bridges, robotic arms, clothing, or other products. So, if you have future aspirations of becoming an electrical or mechanical engineer, interior designer, carpenter, or you just want to work and make something with your hands, these are the courses for you.
Our students are able to develop their foundational skills in visual arts and build upon them every year. Students learn to apply the elements and principles of art and are introduced to the importance of the creative process. At Lieberman, we offer visual arts courses for each grade level and also provide students with opportunities to explore other interests, such as media arts in their senior years of high school. Many of our senior students take the yearbook course, in which they can truly showcase their many creative and artistic skills on our yearly publication. The Dramatic Arts program at Lieberman offers a unique experience for students. Students come together in a safe and inclusive environment to collectively collaborate, celebrate their individual creativity, and practice many diverse dramatic art forms, including tableau, mime, games, improvisation, dance, acting, spoken word, and so much more.
Mabuhay!
你好
Bienvenue!
Meta.
Welcome to Francis Lieberman.
Yeah!